Are you f***ing kidding me? In the airport? In public? You said the N-word?
Why are you acting so weird?
You know, he doesn't have to drive you anywhere, but it's his car. He doesn't have to take you anywhere if he doesn't want to.
I understand. Well, he already took me here, so I'm in the car. I'd like to, you know, go back to my house whenever he's ready, basically.
People are just losing their mind.
Sometimes people just don't know how to act, and that means law enforcement's stuck dealing with entitled Karens. We're taking a look at the top 5 times privileged princesses didn't get their way. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. We begin today's After Hours in Maitland, Florida. It's September 2022, and officers are responding to a unique trespassing call.
Okay. Why isn't she getting out?
I don't know. She's got a lot of problems in life and can't seem to solve them. So I offered to give her a ride, and now...
This is my dad, and I think he's, I don't know exactly what's going on, but he has the key to the car, so I'm just waiting on him to get out of the building.
You're waiting on him to what?
To get out of the building, to come drive the car. He just parked us here, so I don't know.
Yeah, but you know he doesn't have to drive you anywhere, but it's his car. He doesn't have to take you anywhere if he doesn't want to.
I understand. Well, he already took me here, so I'm in the car. I'd like to, you know, go back to my house whenever he's ready, basically. So I'm just sitting in the car.
Okay, but do you realize that if he doesn't want to take you, you have to get out because it's his car, it's his property?
I don't think so. I think
no,
because
I'm letting you know.
No.
But that's how that works.
Okay, well, I'm going to be sitting here. So, whenever he's ready.
But he doesn't want to drive. You don't want to drive her home?
No, I do not.
I think he might be having some sort of like early dementia or something, but he is not acting like himself. We were just going to go to Starbucks, and then he said that he had to go, and I can't remember if he said he needed to take a package somewhere.
He had me bring her down here. I got her a couple of gift cards because she doesn't have a job.
He did. He just got me a gift card.
She's supposed to be in a rehab facility, but somehow managed to get kicked out of it and showed up back at the apartment. So I felt sorry for her, my mistake. Gave her more money, gave her more things to do, took her here so she could get food. Not only did she not get food, she refused to get out of the car. And now she refuses to get out of it at all.
I'm just trying to spend the day with him, or like go out and run errands. We're just trying to run errands.
You said she was evicted from the apartment. Does she not? So that's not where she lives anymore.
I still live there.
She is in the process of eviction. I don't think they've got a final order for it yet.
Okay.
So she can still be there. But
it doesn't really matter either way. Where I live normally. I'm not trying to live in this car, you know what I mean? So
yeah, but you're not trying to get out of this car.
Correct.
Which right now you're breaking the law because it's not your car. So you're trespassing.
So I go on Ubers.
Okay. With the permission of the person. He does not want you in his car. You're trespassing in his okay, so we can play this game, but you're gonna get arrested. I mean, that's literally how it's gonna be. Or you could just step out of the car. Like, I'm not trying to be mean to you, but I'm trying to explain something to you, and you're not really willing to listen.
You explained it to me, but I would like to shut my door now.
I'm not doing that. It's not your door. It's not your car.
Okay, I'll just ignore that then.
Just get out, Alex. You're making a show
His door? I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to make a show out of it. It's just like, it's frustrating.
You see the problem. I didn't want to touch her at this point.
No, I understand. I mean, it's definitely your car, and you want her out of the car. Can you run the tag, please?
I shouldn't have agreed to do it. She's had long-term problems. 6528. Enabling this bad behavior. It's my fault. I enabled one more time.
So it's not your car. If you want you out, you're trespassing. You gotta get out.
Well, I think there's a misunderstanding. I think something's going on with my dad because he's not acting like himself.
No, he's acting pretty normal to me.
No, I think he's acting like he's
negative on
got a
a
problem.
2021 blue Toyota four-door registered in Jacksonville.
Maybe like he has early onset, like dementia, Alzheimer's.
Can we talk outside of the car?
No. You guys are right here. I'm fine. I'm not stepping out. And I feel like usually you ask people not to step out of the car.
Why won't you get out? Why don't you want to get out?
It's on principle at this point. But
you understand that you're probably going to end up going to jail then, right?
You do know that usually, like, if you pulled me over on a highway, we'd both have to pull over, park together.
We're not doing
and I would not be allowed out of my vehicle, in fact. You'd say, roll down the window and please present your papers to me. That's what you would say. And I would give you that information and stay in the car while you walk. Okay, well, this isn't the...
But your dad wants you out of the
This
car.
doesn't feel like a very real situation. Like, and it doesn't feel like we're bothering anyone.
So do you want to push charges of trespassing?
I do.
I mean, you can't just press charges like that.
You can.
No, you
So,
can't.
do you want to get out of the car or not?
Don't you guys have anything better to do today?
We actually do.
Yeah, like, so I don't know
So
what
we
you
would
guys
really
are
like
up to.
for you to
Why
get
don't
out
you
so
drive
we don't
around in
have
your
to.
cars?
I don't want to take a ride to the jail.
I would love to.
I would hate that.
You know what? I love riding around places. I love going on errands. I love driving. Love all of it. And
This is going to be one of those situations when you go down to the jail. People are like, "What are you in for?" And you say, "Because I wouldn't get out of the car." People are going to be like, "That's a stupid reason to go to jail."
yeah, they
I mean,
would
really,
be.
there's really not a really good reason to go to jail, but that's really stupid.
Well, it's more stupid of you guys because it's just a lot of paperwork and a
We
lot of
don't
trouble.
want to be here, but we're public servants. We've been called here.
You're not a servant.
We've been summoned here, so we're here to solve a problem. Unfortunately,
Do you have a payroll?
the problem is that you're in the car. It's to solve the problem.
I don't think there's not a solution. There isn't a solution.
The solution is that you step out, either stand over here, you could sit, there's a bench over here, there's a bench there.
I can
there's a
step
bench over
out.
there. Okay, yeah, go ahead and stand out of the car.
No, I stepped out. It's fine. Please allow me to
No,
shut my door.
So,
I don't want to shut it on you. I don't want to, like...
I can promise you, you're not.
Please stop touching this car because it's not your car.
It's not yours either.
Well, that's okay.
alright, you're gonna end up.
No.
You're gonna end up.
You are.
Stop. Step on out.
I'm just gonna pull you out. I mean, at the end of the day, you're gonna come out of the car. So do we have to make this harder? I don't want to.
Don't pull my arm out of its
Well, then
socket.
please step out.
Don't touch me.
Please step out.
Statement, we're not in a hurry.
Don't touch me. Don't molest me. Please.
What's gonna end up happening is we're gonna end up having to use force on you.
I would like to
Don't
press
want do
charges
that.
for assault. An
Well, it's
assault
not
charge.
assault.
I just was assaulted.
It wasn't.
Battery.
So,
I want to press charges for battery.
okay, you don't get that. It's
I
lawful.
want to press charges.
It's a lawful.
I would like to
move.
press charges.
You don't get to.
I'm being held against my will.
Great, get out of the car.
No, I'm being held against my will. Please
No,
leave.
No. So these are the options. You can get out of the car. You can leave on your own accord. You can walk away, or you're going to end up going with us.
Get a judge or something. Like I don't know what else to tell you. Get a judge and a jury and take me to trial. Like I don't really understand.
So
Mail me some papers. I mean I don't know.
what
Like
would you like me to mail you?
whatever the charges are. Like let me know.
Well, right now
Are you gonna
the
give me a
charges
ticket?
are
Why don't you just give me a ticket?
Well, we could give you, but you have to get out of the car. That's the problem. So the main
Or a
problem-
verbal warning? Be like, hey, please don't sit in people's cars
So-
again if they don't want you in them.
So that we've tried that. We're trying to get you out.
No, you didn't. But anyway,
So
my
here's the
dad
issue.
is obviously like demented and he's got like an issue that I can't diagnose, right? I don't know what to do
Are
because
you still
he's
staying
getting
at
older.
Lily?
Yes, in fact, we live at the same building.
Okay.
I am his caretaker. So,
You're his caretaker?
yes, I am.
Okay.
And you know
And
what?
how do you care for him?
I take care of him.
How?
I take care of
Do
him.
you work?
Yes, I do. I work a lot. I do things. It doesn't matter. What do you do?
You sound a lot like my brother used to
What do
sound
you
when
do?
I was at my mom's house there.
What do you do? You just like police stuff? What is that? Like, what is policing?
That is literally my job.
What is Polly saying?
I'm a supervisor.
Policing. Wow.
So,
Well, anyway,
but here's the issue. Your father is wanting you out of the car. He's
Kill
willing to press
on.
charges. Therefore, you're going to end up going with us because you're refusing out of the car. I literally cannot be nicer to you.
it's like, what if you were in my doorway at my house and like
Again,
you
different
were holding
scenario.
it?
Different scenario, different rules, different times, different things. Okay? This isn't your car.
Is that your street?
It's part of the city.
Is that your pavement?
It's the cities.
Or is just that your stone?
It's the cities.
Okay,
So,
the city.
why
Okay,
don't
and the
you
brick.
want to get out of the car?
Who runs the city? Who owns the pavement? I want to talk to whoever owns the road.
Who do you think that would be?
I don't know.
When
I think you would have to try to get in contact with them or something.
I don't have to do anything.
I don't know. Talk to the bank that like rents out that pavement. I don't know what to tell you. Call someone. But it'd be really cool if you would just let me shut the door. I'm not a dog dying in a hot car, okay?
One of the officers then checks in with the suspect's father to get everyone's information, including that of the suspect, Alexandra Holt.
So ridiculous. I'm gonna have you fill this out. You bet. Name, race, sex, date of birth, home address. Put your name on the line and just give us a statement of what happened.
You're in the car. I know she's going to
Good God almighty.
I've actually checked out with her before too. I've talked to her in the past.
Yeah, I think most of you guys have now. Got medication and it's still like this. You know, it's never ends. Sorry, I'm just very frustrated. I shouldn't have agreed to help her. I should have just left her alone. It's my own fault.
The officers are still trying to convince Holt to get out of the car and warn her that things are going to escalate very quickly if she doesn't.
You go by Alex, Alexandria, what do you go by?
We have, as ordered by court.
What am I called?
Yeah, what do you go by?
I'm just going to add that as well, just in case there's an alternative.
What do you like to be called? Alex, Alexandria?
You need that statement.
You know what?
I don't like to be called at all.
Okay, what is your name?
Do you want to put where you see your daughter? Or just put her name next to it?
Why do you need to know?
All right, Alexandria. I'm again going to politely ask you to get out of the car.
Spiral.
I
Because
would tell you my name if I wanted to.
things are going to go not your way in a minute.
I don't have them.
And I would prefer them not go down that way. Yeah, but they're going to get worse.
Which way? That way.
They're going to get worse. Because what's going to end up happening is you're going to get forcefully taken out of the car, and I don't want to do that.
Whatever.
Because I don't want us to get hurt, and I don't want you to get hurt. So I really would like you to get out of the car so that we don't have to force you to get out of the car, or that force doesn't have to be used.
Defiance.
That's your choice.
Defiance.
So you understand the risk that you're taking with this, right?
Ohio, yeah.
Turning at some point? I still am.
Okay.
I still am. Excited. I know this is all too silly.
No. You're insulting me. What are you doing? No, I'm not going to. Why? No. No. I'm not under arrest. I'm under cardiac arrest and everything. You can't do that.
We can.
No, you're not going to. You're not going to. Stop. Stop.
I wish we didn't have to.
Stop.
I wish we didn't have
Stop.
to. We tried to work it out with you.
Stop.
And for whatever reason, you decided
Stop
not to.
trying to kill me.
We're not trying to kill you.
Stop trying to hurt me. Stop policing me.
Bye, Alex.
I'm sorry that this is the way that it had to go.
This is not the law.
Got a moment.
I'm not resisting.
1532.
No, stop searching me. Stop touching me.
Hey.
I have to search you. You're molesting
Stop.
me. You're sexually assaulting me.
Stop.
You are sexually
Stop.
assaulting me. No.
She's not.
Yes, she
No, she's
is.
not.
Dad, help me.
I am not helping you.
Please help me. Please help me.
Stop.
Get off me.
Stop.
Get off me.
Stop. Resisting.
Now you're getting a felony.
You have violated the
Get
law.
off me. Stop touching me.
Stop resisting.
Stop touching me.
Stop resisting.
Stop touching me.
Mentally ill. I need to point that out to you guys.
He's mentally ill. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Oh, my arm!
Sit in the
Stop
car.
it!
Sit in the car.
Stop it! Can you please pick up your knives and sit in the car? I don't want to have to help you.
I got it. Sergeant.
Get off me! Stop touching me!
Close the door.
Oh, see,
Listen, if you try to hurt us again, you're going to either end up getting tased.
me hurt you? You guys were hurting me.
Okay. Well, you
You guys
kicked both
actually
of them.
assaulted me.
You kicked both of them.
You grabbed me and then she touched
So,
my breast for
here's
no
the-
reason.
What?
So I don't really
So, I want you
know.
to
So
take a
you
deep
touched
breath.
me inappropriately as well on my skin.
Take
You know
a
that you
deep
don't need
breath.
to contact me like that. I was
Take
in
a
handcuffs
deep
already.
breath and listen to what I'm telling
My
you.
hands were behind my back. So
Your
no, you
hands-
shouldn't have searched me like that, and I should
didn't
have gotten
search
searched privately. First of all,
I
you
didn't
should
search
have
Listen
not
to what
been
I'm
out
telling
here,
you,
not
okay?
with her and doing it.
Here's the
Second,
thing.
and you're embarrassing me
We're
in
gonna
public.
open the door.
You're actually kind of. It's libel. It's a lot of libel.
Listen, you're embarrassing
We're
yourself.
going to open the door. Okay. You're going to get put back in handcuffs. If you fight us,
Do you have a liability policy? Like, do you guys have like some sort of
I
like
just want to
commercial
explain.
health
Do
insurance?
not fight us, okay?
What are you so scared of?
I don't want to give back my keys. I want them.
Why don't I get the keys then? No, don't touch me. See? You're touching me again. Stop it. You open the door for me? Stop touching me. I don't want to. No, what are you doing now? No, same thing we were doing before. You're just going back and forth. Okay? You're under arrest.
Miranda rights. Miranda rights? No.
Stop resisting.
If you resist,
You are resisting.
I'm resisting.
Yes, you are. So stop. You've already got battery on LEO. Stop.
It's just
On a Leo?
Yeah.
On an August birthday? On a Leo? What? No. Get off me. I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be tied down. Stop it.
Nobody generally does want that.
You're constricting me. I can't breathe. You're constricting me.
You have,
I
I would swear,
in the back.
in the back.
You need to tighten that one. She's going to get out of that.
It doesn't matter. Stop. Stop doing it.
I'm trying to be nice to you. I don't want to wrench them up so that they don't hurt you.
You're not doing anything.
But you're not really.
You're hurting me.
No,
You are
it
physically
doesn't
hurting me right now. My chest hurts, my head hurts, my hands hurt, my wrist hurts,
I know it hurts.
and my shoulder blades, and my shoulders, and my back. Which is where all my organs are, by the way. So thank you.
Well, if you would just cooperate, you would not do any of this stuff.
You are not cooperating. You're not a co-op. You're not a co-op. You're not a corporation. You're not a co-op. You're not a cop. You're a robber. You're stealing. You're
Go back into the
kidnapping
car,
me.
okay?
You're abducting me.
Ow, you're hurting me. Stop! No! Stop doing it!
Then have a seat in the car without us fighting, without fighting.
Don't touch my hand! Don't touch my hand! Don't touch my boobs! What are you doing? I'm trying. You just sit down. None of this will happen. Get off me! You're creepy as I'm a hit. I know. Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Get me out! Let me out!
It's not happening, so.
Open the door! Open the door! Open it! Can I go?
As an officer drives Holt to jail, she once again accuses the police of committing a crime against her.
Who's the elected person in this jurisdiction? Take me to them. I don't even know that this is your jurisdiction. I don't know who you are. You're kidnapping me.
ABC Air and Heat has been serving Central Florida for over 20 years. ABC provides expert,
Carjacking.
trustworthy, and affordable service for all your residential or
Carjacking.
commercial needs.
That's
ABC
what's up.
Air and
It's a
Heat
carjacking.
ideal temperature for your home or business. ABC Air provides 5-star service for all sales, service, maintenance, and replacements. It's as easy as
Take me home. Bring me home, please. Give me a ride. Give me a ride home. Turn the car around. Reverse. 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 Do a 180, 160, 360, whatever. 90 degrees.
But the officer didn't take her home. Instead, she was booked on charges of battery on an officer, resisting an officer both with and without violence, and trespassing. The district attorney's office decided not to prosecute. So we're going to get back to After Hours in just a second, but I want to thank Morgan & Morgan for sponsoring this episode of After Hours. These people on this body cam of After Hours, it shows you how scary and unpredictable the world can be. And let's say, unfortunately, if you're ever injured or if you've ever been injured, you can turn to Morgan & Morgan. They're America's largest personal injury firm with over 1,000 attorneys. How did they get 1,000 attorneys, you might be wondering? It's a great question. Because they win a lot. In the past few months, for example, Morgan & Morgan saw verdicts of $12.2 million in Florida, $26 million in PA, and $6.8 million in New York. So if you're ever injured and you want to submit a claim and see how much it could be worth, you can do so in 8 clicks or less. They've totally modernized the personal injury process. You can do it on your phone. So to submit a claim, all you have to do is go to forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and in the pinned comments. Next, we're heading to Lakewood, Ohio, where what seemed like a simple mix-up involving a delivery quickly morphed into a much stranger situation thanks to what was inside that package. It's October 2023. Officers have gotten a call about a Victoria's Secret order that was delivered to the wrong house. The woman says she knows the package was delivered to this address because of the confirmation photo, but the woman inside allegedly refused to give it back.
So I came here.
Hello.
So this is, and I wouldn't care, but it's like $400 worth of stuff. It won't show up, but, so that's their front porch. There's the package, okay?
Oh, that little black thing right
yeah.
there?
And so you can't get to their front porch because it's gated off, so I went to the side door and I knocked. A younger girl came to the door, probably close to my size, and I asked for it. They gave me all these, we weren't even home, blah, 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 blah. And then she said, okay. I said, well, I'm going to call the police. She goes, well, you can call Victoria's Secret. And I never once said where it was from. I just said a package.
Okay, well, what's inside the package, if you don't mind me asking?
So,
is it like a whole laundry list of things?
Oh, yeah. Like, let's see if it shows the, like, all of this stuff. It's $400 worth of stuff.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
So.
Hi.
Hello. I'm alright. So she has a package that got delivered here and she would want it back. So she has pictures that the package was in fact delivered here and it was sitting right on your porch.
That's what she said.
Okay.
I was in bed till 12 o'clock this afternoon with my dogs, and as you can see, they're very vocal, and they were in bed with me, and my husband was not here.
Okay.
So I believe if the picture shows that the package was here, I believe her. The picture shows that it was here, but I do not know anything else.
All right. Who all lives here?
My daughter, me, and my husband.
Okay.
My
Would you mind
daughter
bringing them out
was
also?
with my husband.
Would you mind bringing them out also?
Pardon?
Would you mind bringing them out
Yes,
also?
I can ask
So I can
them
explain the situation to them also.
They were in Rocky River. He
Okay.
went to get her.
Hello. Hi. So does anybody have any idea about this package that got delivered here? Because the package 100% got delivered here. She has pictures of it. We know it got delivered here at some point.
No, when we got home, there was nothing here, and I don't know, were you up?
Answer his question. No, I was in bed till now.
Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm giving you guys the opportunity, if you guys did take it, to just give it back. Because if you don't, I'm going to do a theft report, and all three of you are going to be listed as suspects. So what's going to happen, there's a Ring doorbell right over there. So I'm going to go knock on that door and figure out who came out and picked up that package. And whoever did that's going to get charged with a theft, okay? And that's $400 worth of stuff. So either we give it back now, nobody gets in trouble, or I figure out who stole it and they're going to get charged. That's what we're doing.
Okay.
Okay? That's how we're going to handle this?
If we find it and we know who took it, it will be returned.
And that's not how we're handling this. When we find out who took it, they're being charged with theft. Okay? We're not doing this, oh, you got me, I'm on camera, I took it, I'm going to give it back now. They're going to be charged with theft. I will arrest them for theft. I'm not playing around. Okay? So either give it back now, or I'm listing all three of you as suspects.
Okay.
Okay. Driver's license.
Mine?
All three of them.
As the family files into the house, the officer makes a prediction.
Do you have her information?
I didn't get that for you.
I'll wait for that. So, what is it, 3 to 1?
I'm kind of waiting to see if they come out with the object and be like, oh, here it is.
Your package is on the way out.
All right. Did you hear that?
Yes, thank you.
Perfect. I'd rather handle it this way.
I totally agree.
And then not to...
It was opened.
Not to doubt anything, but I'm going to have her check to make sure
yeah,
all the contents are in there.
She definitely
Okay?
needs to do that.
Okay, perfect.
And if there is anything, I mean, we can compensate if that's what needs to be done.
That'll be between you guys at that point.
I was made aware of the package. Other than that, I don't know.
Okay.
We had nothing to do with this.
All right, thank you. She's gonna make sure that all the stuff is in here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go sort it in my trunk.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one item together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we're missing about 5 things.
5 items.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, she's missing about 5 things.
What's she missing?
I can ask her. They're all different itemized things, so I'll have to.
Tell me.
Well, I think you need to go ask. I suspect whoever has them knows what 5 they are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they're all different things.
Okay.
So I would have to verify with her exactly what things are missing, because they're all different.
If she could tell me.
Just go check with her, Patty, right now.
They going to check?
Yeah, they're
Love
checking.
that you're seeing all my goods here.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be like nosy or anything, but.
She said that she has nothing else. You need to call Victoria's Secret on that one.
No.
And I believe her. Because I used to order from Victoria's Secret all the time, and the whole order did not come. Because
Is that all the? Yep, there's 15.
There's 15. Yeah, there's 15.
Okay. And it was just 5 items. Okay.
Going through all this, and you think it's just that Victoria's Secret didn't send it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but she's got the itemized
I
receipt
I
on her phone
understand that.
and in the package.
Okay.
She's got the itemized receipt on her phone and from the actual inside the package, and there should be 15 things in there.
I understand that, but I have actually been sent.
It doesn't matter. What they're going by what?
Okay, I know that. Megan said that she didn't have them.
Okay, let's talk to Megan. Where's Megan at? Why are we even talking to you? Is Megan an adult?
Yeah.
What the hell? Get Megan out here.
Megan, get out here.
What are we doing here? This is stupid.
Megan! I ordered some from bracelet from Nordstrom.
So there's like
They
a
forgot
slip in
to
the
put-
bag that has.
Yes,
items?
15 things in total.
forgot
They're
to
all
put them
different things, so it's not like one thing is listed as quantity 1 or
Alright,
2.
Pat, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give her one chance to get those other items. If not, we're hooking her up and bringing her in. I'm not playing games.
That's all.
Oh, come on. She said that
That was
I
all
don't care.
that's in there. Victoria's Dad missed 7 items of my stuff.
All right, what's your name?
Megan Stowers.
All right, Megan. You have one chance to get the stuff. You have 5 items still missing. Or
Okay,
you
and
want to
if they're missing this stuff, ma'am, what do I do? What about Victoria's Secret? I go to jail for a year and package having missing items for Victoria's Secret?
That's why you don't take in packages that don't belong to you.
I didn't!
I threw it down to her, and
Yeah.
I didn't look at the name because
I had
thought it
ordered
was
stuff
hers.
too.
I didn't look at your name. I really didn't.
And now because Victoria's Secret's gonna miss it, I mean, I've
what was
had
the conversation
7
when you
items
first
missed.
Basically denied taking it altogether.
Calm down.
So you denied the whole thing.
Wait, hold up. I wasn't even here when it was
So
sitting down
Andy
there.
made the bag, and I made sure and I went through
No,
it.
David handed you.
No, wait a minute. David threw it on the floor. I
She
had
threw it
just
down in the
got out
basement
of
in my
bed,
living area.
and she wasn't even here yet, and I threw it downstairs. I didn't even look at the name. And
Because she
she's
knew
the
that
one-
I had ordered Victoria's Secret too.
Wait a minute.
They didn't even cooperate until you threatened to arrest them. Doesn't that
Yep.
sort of look like
Yeah,
a
that's
garbage can, right?
exactly what happened.
I didn't want my husband going to jail for something I didn't.
Well, somebody's going to go to jail, but you guys obviously aren't fessing up and giving all the items back.
am the
That's
one
it, and I'm
that-
giving all the items back.
Gosh.
Everything that. No, hang on. Everything
We've got
that's in
5
that-
more that are missing.
Okay, I'm telling you, Victoria's Secret is missing that, not me.
They've done that to me.
You can check my underwear drawer. You can check everywhere. I have nothing but Victoria's Secret.
I get it if it was like one thing, but 5? Come
They've
on, come
missed
on.
7 items,
I will
baby, on
go
my
down
order
there.
before.
Sir,
7 items.
Sir, I will go down there and look again if you want me to.
I sure hope you do, because this is your last chance. If you don't come up with those 5 things, you're being arrested for
Why am
theft.
I being arrested?
Because we're not playing this game.
She's not playing a game.
I'm not playing a game. I have a kid.
Wait a minute. She's got a daughter.
And I have a new
That
job.
has nothing to do with this.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
I don't want to go back to jail. I'll go to prison. Wait, do you understand? I'm from Victoria's
Stop
Secret.
it. Go downstairs and make sure.
I did. I checked everything.
She's going to stay right here.
Wait a second. Can I say something?
Man,
No,
you
I'm
know
tired
this-
of saying stuff.
This is that I would go when I was in here.
Megan, hey, stay out here. We're still talking to you.
Okay.
Well, she's
You're
like,
staying.
"Why not?"
No,
Yelling.
she's not giving you. I'm giving you instructions to stay right here.
Do we have her ID?
What's your? Yeah. Do you have your ID on you?
SX0900.
Stop. Do you understand why people are? I mean,
I
there's.
understand.
Stop.
I was-
I'm talking.
He's
Would
talking
you
to me.
all shut up?
Separate.
You come down here. Megan, come down the stairs.
No, I'm not
Come here.
coming down with cops. I
Come
don't
here. No,
trust y'all.
you are.
Why am I going to jail?
Stop.
Come on.
No, wait, don't touch me. Don't
Come
touch
on.
me. Why am I going to jail?
She won't shut up.
What am I doing?
You get inside.
We're detaining you for right now,
No,
okay?
what are you doing? Mom!
She won't hush.
Get inside.
You were yelling at why are you taking me to jail?
We're not taking you to jail. You're detaining you right now to figure this all out.
Oh my God!
Stop yelling.
Please get me out of handcuffs. This is something that we out. I'm seriously and I'm
Stop.
anxiety attack. Ma'am, I don't have your order.
Take a deep breath.
Stop.
I don't have the order.
Where's the rest of
I don't know. I
We all
missed
wanna
7
leave.
items out of my order. This is not a first for Victoria's Secret.
Stop.
I have no reason to lie.
All of us want to leave and get on with our day. That's what we all
Do you want to get my
here.
panties up? I mean, Jesus
That's what
Christ.
we want. Where's the rest of the stuff?
I don't have them.
I don't believe you.
Can I?
Okay, thanks a lot, Mom.
No, go check my drawer, Mom. Go check my drawer.
Let's identify.
Take any
Do you
underwear.
have? What's your social?
Dude,
Here,
what? What are you doing? What are you doing?
The woman being detained is Megan Stowers. An officer then goes into the home with her mother to check for any more items.
I did look. There's nothing else in there. I went through every single door she's got, and we just put them together. There's nothing on there. She just moved away.
Here's the problem we have. The package was taken in. It was opened by her.
Yeah.
She originally denied even having it. Now there's stuff missing. I mean, what else can we possibly? I'm not a mind reader. I could look through your whole house. I don't know what I'm looking for or whether it's but the woman has a packing slip inside with all the items, and 5 of them were missing.
Well,
when you put yourself in our shoes, where do I go from here?
Can I tell you something? I have ordered Victoria's Secret
Well, you
for
explain.
ages.
Everybody's had misorders.
Yeah.
I'm not denying that, but I'm talking about.
But that's
I have no evidence of that. What I do
Right,
have
and
evidence
she
of
has no
is
evidence.
her opening a package
She has
that
no
doesn't belong to
evidence
her
that
and
we took it
denying it.
either. I mean,
No, yes,
I
have.
looked.
That's all the evidence points towards her taking.
I've looked.
That's what all the evidence points.
But I
towards.
looked, and if you guys want to go down there and look,
Patty, like he said, he doesn't know.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be fruitful. I've looked through her room and I don't know.
there's
what I'm looking for.
nothing. There's nothing there, and she brought nothing upstairs. Okay.
Yeah. Well, the problem is, she opened it, and now there's stuff missing.
I understand.
That's the problem.
But please don't take her to jail. She gave you everything.
What else?
She
What
gave.
else? What else do we do?
She gave you everything.
I don't know that.
I looked even.
But he doesn't know that.
The only reason she even cooperated it was because there was a threat of an arrest.
No, I did, because he's the one who brought the package in, apparently, threw it there, and he wasn't even here, and I saw
Just stay here for a minute, guys, will you?
Okay.
Officers discuss next steps with the apparent victim.
What we do next depends on what you want done here. Do you want to prosecute for that? Because you're our victim here. This is your property we're talking about. I can't make that decision.
I know, and I work hard for my money too, and
You and me both.
and so it's like, and I would have never got it back if you guys didn't come here, so she would have freely taken my stuff.
Right. So so your options here is you can go with theft, and the best evidence we have is that she took those items. Or if you think you've got most of it, you could reach out to Victoria's Secret, explain the situation, and if they would replace it. I have no idea if they would or whatever, but I'm just if I'm in your shoes, those are my 2 directions I can go.
You just got to tell us what you want to do so we know what to do next.
And my conscience, too, because this girl is troubled.
My question to you is, do you order stuff from Victoria's Secret frequently?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
How often do you have problems with them not fulfilling?
Never. I've never. I mean, I'm an avid online shopper, so, you know, I mean, you don't, usually there's not stuff missing. So that's why
that's why I said to her, you know, one thing missing, I can kind of understand.
5
one thing missing, but 5, no.
Right, I mean, they're a pretty legit company, so,
exactly.
You know, they have checks and balances, so, you know, yeah. I mean, I think that she took my stuff and that she was going to keep it, obviously. I mean, I said, I'm going to call the cops. And I mean, there's no way that you open up all that stuff and you don't realize what you ordered.
Right.
So she did it. Yeah, I want to press charges.
Other officers are still up on the porch with Stowers, trying to keep her calm and get an explanation.
Okay, so when you were looking through all those items and putting them away, like you said,
Yeah.
did any of them? Did it all seem like stuff that you ordered, or
I didn't even pay attention. I was just trying to. I was doing what she told me to clean the basement because I had so much. Just moved back in from my boyfriends. We broke up.
Would you just like grab them all? And
yeah, I just threw. Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
So you're sure there wasn't a mistake?
Can I go double check my drawer because she doesn't know what she's looking for? I could probably tell if anything is in there.
I thought but you just said there's for sure nothing in there.
I can go double check because I shoved them in there. You don't tell how deep that is. It's an antique drawer. You know how deep that thing goes.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Can I please go double check?
Hold on 1 second. Because I don't know what he was talking about with your mom. So I don't know if they found him or didn't find him. I don't know what's going on with that.
We're all just trying to figure this out together.
What?
He was just talking to your mom, the other officer down there.
Yeah, about what?
Do you want to go see
I don't know what he had to say about this, but he'll stand with you. I'll ask him.
Mom,
just stay sitting. I know. Just take a breath. Just take a breath. We'll figure it out.
I promise you, Victoria's Secret has missed 7 items of my before. I'm not lying. Over this.
Well, that's what we're figuring out, right?
I don't want to go back to. I'll go to prison. I'm on felony probation.
Oh, I see. What?
No. I think I'm off that.
Yeah, I don't think.
Yeah, I'm off. Oh yeah, I'm not.
So.
I'm so used to being on probation. That's so bad.
Well, it's good
my whole life.
Things don't stay calm for long, though, because Stowers is about to find out that the victim wants to press charges.
She's coming in. You're coming in for theft.
Why don't Mom, go check my drawer. Go check my drawer. No, can I go check my drawer? I promise you, I can probably find them.
Oh, you remember where it's at now?
No, I promise. I said they're deep.
Let's go look.
Can you take this out?
Let's go. No, you're staying in the cuffs. Let's go look.
Can you go with her?
Mom, can she go with me?
Let's go. We'll all go. How about that? It'll be a big family party. Come on.
Stop yelling.
Please.
Please.
No, I asked him if I could go in there and
talking
look.
the same volume she's talking.
Okay,
no,
Megan, calm down.
She wants to take me. Can you let go of me, please?
No, we can't.
Come here, puppy dog.
They want to take me in for theft. I mean,
Jesus.
Where are we headed here?
Downstairs.
Oh, come here. You don't need to go with her. Turn off these.
And I threw them all in drawers.
I looked at all of them.
Did you look in the? Because I threw my shirts in there randomly. Can you turn that light on right there?
How do I do that? Oh,
Right there. Can you open here? Watch out. Can you let go of my arm, please, so I can look? Can you open?
This one?
Yeah, it's an antique. That's not mine. Mom, you didn't look, because there's stuff in here that's not mine.
Where?
Right here. That one, not mine. This one's not mine.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. You didn't look all the way. This is not mine. Wait, hang on. I have a pair like this.
That's George.
No, that's brand new, Mom. You didn't look at this.
No, I didn't see him. Sorry.
She didn't look at that.
We should have let her.
And hang on, open this drawer. I threw some in here. This one. Oh, you gotta open both handles. They're antique. It's antique. Close this one, top one.
Is this yours?
Yeah. No, that's mine, Mom. I got that. That's from a thrift store.
Sorry.
Mom, I told you I threw them in between shirts. Look.
Wait a minute.
Right there. No, there's one right here. I told you you didn't check. She normally checks to see how I fold and everything, and honestly, I just threw them in there. Right, the shirts, Mom. You didn't check.
Then why didn't you say it?
Because I told you I threw them in between shirts so you wouldn't yell at me, and you told me no, Mom.
These are shirts.
Mom, it's towards the top where I pointed at.
Here?
You're being an airhead right there.
You know what?
I told you I threw stuff
took 2
in.
seconds to do this. Now
See what I'm saying? She yells at me for everything.
Now you won't go to jail if you had just done it in the beginning. She won't go now, right?
Yeah, fix that shirt.
Okay, sorry.
I don't want you. That shirt's trash.
I will take care of that later.
I'm sorry.
This is
I'm
all
sorry.
I care about.
That's all the.
Is there five more items? Is that what we got there?
It's 4.
Is there something else?
No, there's nothing else. I swear to God, here, check it.
So
Here,
there's
check.
just 1 item missing.
How did you know what she's missing? What is she missing exactly? Does she have the order? Because I don't know what I'm looking for here.
Let's do it the easy way. What doesn't belong to you?
That's all my underwear. My underwear now. That's all my underwear now. So what else is she missing? She doesn't even know.
Quit cussing at
You feel me? She doesn't even have her order number.
Megan, calm.
You are in no position
Calm.
to be talking to me like that.
I know. I'm just saying, like, I'm not at you. It's like to you.
guys
Like,
both
I
just
just say I'm
stop talking.
frustrated.
Both just stop talking.
Look, get your finger off me.
Stop.
Stop.
God, I mean, are you guys serious?
We're just
Yeah,
alike.
she's bipolar, sorry. There's 4 items here.
Anxiety.
There's 1 missing.
He don't
Is
want to
there
touch
a
underwear.
shirt or something?
No.
That's what I'm saying. No, those are
What is
all
that,
underwear.
4?
That's it.
That's 4 items.
There's no other items here.
No. Check my drawers. Check them. I've told you, all I wear is Victoria's Secret.
She wasn't lying.
Let's go back upstairs.
We'll go just see. Yeah, come on.
Oh, can you not do that?
Wait, just,
It hurts her arm.
Yeah, and this arm.
it doesn't.
You don't-
He even loosened them for you.
No, he didn't.
Well, there's. You can put your whole finger.
No, my wrist is bad though. I have a broken wrist.
Oh, wait for me.
She didn't look all the way in the drawer, Danny.
An officer once again takes recovered merchandise out to the victim.
Sorry.
Could it be the most embarrassing?
So there's 4 items here.
Okay.
You look. She swears up and down that that's the only thing. So what else were you missing?
So it would. So
Is
there
this
was
what you're
5
missing?
additional items. I think so. Yeah. So she probably has them on, because if they're all the underwear,
Right.
which I'm not gonna. $5. I'm not going to.
Okay, so are you...
I mean, I still think that she should get in trouble.
I mean, she took it.
She took it, you know. I just, you know, that's to me. People, that's a lot of money that she's just gonna take. And there's no way you could just, oh, I thought they were mine. Yeah, I mean.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since you have all the items back now, well, except for the one,
Which, yeah.
you still want to do the prosecution then?
I
I mean, we can't force you to go one way or another, but I don't know if, like...
She was gonna steal my stuff, though.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I just don't think that people should get away with that. I don't know. I don't steal people.
Okay. So, like a yes then? Because we kind of need a definitive yes, or no.
Yes. I mean, she took my stuff, yes. And I gave her the I asked nicely, you know, and she was not going to tell you the rate. She was not giving it back.
Yeah.
Can I come out?
I'd rather not.
No, she'll keep me calm.
I'll keep her calm.
Yeah,
I'd rather not.
She would keep me calm. Yeah, Mom, thank you.
Put you on. Put you on, or that's going to get you in trouble, okay?
What was that for?
You're being detained right now. I don't want you having access to your phone.
I was just holding it.
Megan.
Why am I being taken for this? I
You
just
don't.
got home with this.
You're not in.
This is not fair, Mom.
Stop. The neighbors can hear. You don't.
That's all you're worried about instead of your daughter going to jail over this?
Megan, you're not in a position to be talking this way. Will you please stop? You're probably not going to get in any trouble now because you gave them everything and one thing's missing from that
But you don't
order.
even know what's missing.
Shh. Stop.
I don't.
Stop. Right now. Pretend like you can't talk.
I'm freezing my.
I know. You can get a coat in a minute.
you could grab one and put one around me.
No, I'm not leaving the porch till I find out what's going on. It did get cold, didn't it?
It's gonna be 60 tomorrow.
No.
Or one of the days. I have an appointment in a minute on video.
What time?
What time is it?
Okay, you're just going to have to wait till they're
What
done.
time is it? Yeah, oh my gosh.
Just wait.
It's my psychiatrist.
I know that. Just wait.
Oh my god, I can't miss that appointment.
Megan, just wait. You can call him right back.
I cannot call my psychiatrist back.
Okay, wait.
After another
Megan,
month.
stop yelling and stop talking.
2 months ago.
You answer what they have to ask you, and that's it.
2010-4.
Can I sit back in the chair?
No, you can't. You'll break the stuff.
I'm freezing.
Why don't you go get her a jacket?
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh God, thank you.
I'll get your blanket.
I'm from Georgia, you know what I mean? And I'm used to the 80 degrees still right now. Still like 78, 80 right now. There's no seasons down there. Here. At all. Not even the changing of leaves, really. Have you ever been there? Sir? Georgia, Atlanta?
Ma'am, I don't care to have a conversation with you.
Oh, wow. They're law enforcement, Megan. They're not here to chitter-chatter.
So nice.
He's probably not mean at all.
Mean or not, it's time for Stowers to go to jail.
Alright, so she still wants a desired prosecution for the one item that's missing.
Are you kidding me? I don't have
But
it.
Listen.
the thing is, we had to go through all of this just to even get the package
But I
back.
told her where to check.
Megan.
No, I told her where to check. No, don't take me in. No, wait.
What if we...
No!
What
Don't
if
let go! Oh, God, I won't!
Well, we're past that at this point.
Ma'am!
What if I...
Help! Help! You're hurting
What if
me!
I paid for the item?
Mom!
We're past
Mom!
that.
No, hang on, let go!
Okay, what is going to happen?
Is it the underwear you gave me, Mom?
For how long?
Ma'am, isn't
Well,
it?
she
Ask
get
her if
it.
it's a pink pair of
You're gonna
underwear.
get...
Ask her
We'll
if
deal
it's a
with all
pink
that in a
pair of
second.
underwear. Ask her, I'm wearing them. Ow, my wrist!
Stop.
My wrist. Ask her if it's a pink pair of underwear. I'll take them off.
She just
Mom!
for him?
No.
No, Mom, you gave me a pink pair of underwear. Was that coming out of the package? Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did. Ma'am, I have them. Can you please tell her? Ma'am, I have them. Can you please? I don't have any shoes on. Mom! Mom! I don't have... Can you please tell her?
Yeah, bring some damn shoes.
Can you please tell her? What am I being taken to jail for? Why?
Which side? This side?
My mom put them in my room. Ow, you're stepping on my foot. Mom!
Take a seat.
Oh my God! Help me, Mom! Can you please tell that lady my mom gave me the pink pair of underwear? Ask her if those are it. Ask her before you take me in. Can you? Sir, can you? Oh my God! You won't even ask her?
Stowers was booked for misdemeanor theft. An update on any court hearings was not available at the time of this recording. Now to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, specifically the airport there. In July of 2022, there were reports that someone had abandoned a large suitcase near the JetBlue ticket counter.
Can you have K9 respond to my location? It's gonna be by door. Stand by a sec. I'll be right back. Door 324. Inside, just inside all the way back.
A responding Broward County Sheriff's deputy can't find any sort of label or luggage tag on the outside of the suitcase, so once the canine gives her the all clear, she starts checking out the contents for any identifying info. From there, she and the other airport employees try to contact the owner.
Just clothing, but heavy. No tag. I mean, there's a holder, no.
Huh?
Yeah, just no. I'm just saying there's a holder, but no,
Right,
no name.
hell no.
Just looks like clothing.
That heavy?
It's a lot.
No,
Maybe it was some homeless person.
There's more than just clothing.
It's all underneath.
Yeah, well, not that I can't.
Yeah, you don't want to look in there.
But it's like...
You don't want to look with no gloves on and...
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah. But on top, it's all clothing.
Yeah,
There's something heavy, like, underneath the clothing, because there's no way.
This is...
There's no way that's just clothing.
How much it weight? You have a scale.
There's one right here. Should be right there.
Because this is insane. £78.
77.
77.
What could be in there?
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's more than just clothes. It has to be. It's like having an engine or a piece of motor. Or,
It looks like equipment.
Yeah.
It feels like equipment.
Yeah.
No way. I'm just curious. Let's just.
No, because.
Let's just look.
You know, hazardous reasons or. I mean, for me, I know it's at the Japanese. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean the dog didn't alert, so at least it's not.
Right.
It's nothing dangerous. Right. Yeah, in that sense.
Right.
But then it could be. I don't know what the heck that is.
Because this is like. It's as if someone says, "Hey, you know what? If you have, we can rotate it. Lost and found.
Oh, it looks like a homeless person's like house. I mean, it's got like all this. It's all shoes and whatever the heck. This is like a whole container of Q-tips.
24 miles of award-winning beaches.
Yeah, can I speak to Lisa?
Everglades National Park, museums, live concerts, performances, shopping, and world-class restaurants offering a variety of local and international cuisines. I hope you enjoy your stay, and please come back soon.
Broward County's Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport is doing its part to combat human trafficking.
Yeah, well, listen,
it's estimated that over 25 million people worldwide are victims of human trafficking. Sadly, it's happening in our community here in South Florida. We urge everyone to report suspicious behavior by calling 911 so that law enforcement officials can thoroughly investigate. We thank you.
And get this, the suitcase weighs a whopping 80 pounds.
May I take a picture and put this on it as well? And
Sure,
send it to the
yeah.
gate agent?
It's broken, so.
Yeah. Let me show you the weight. Wow. 80 something pounds.
83. She's just leaving all her stuff, I guess.
That's like cargo. She didn't want to pay the $150 plus the bag fee, so she said, I'll leave it there and they'll have to send it to me. People try to get over, it's ridiculous.
So you'd have to send it to them if we locate the name and everything. So they that's how they kind of jump over the 150.
Yep.
Terrible. So she's coming out to get her bag?
She's not flying.
She's not flying.
Yeah.
Okay.
They had I just spoke with the supervisor that's covering the area. It's, they're turning it over, so there's another but I spoke with both of them, and he said the woman's going to come out. So there were other issues. So.
She's intoxicated, I think, also.
Well, if she's intoxicated, she's definitely not supposed to be going anywhere. So.
Where's she flying to? New York?
Westchester County, yeah.
Well, she needs to... I mean, she's got some crazy stuff in there that I don't think is even allowed. She's got a glass jar with Q-tips in it. Like glass, looks like a candle glass jar. So where's she coming out? Is she gonna...
She's probably gonna come out the exit there, to the left. You can't see it, the wall is blocking it, but you know, with the changes.
Yeah, when they come out through there.
Yeah.
Ooh, I wonder if she's gonna be... Are they escorting her out, or what are they doing?
Let me find out.
Three Alpha 32.
Officers back there, right?
Could you have Foxtrot 300 go back on TAC 1, please?
Is she going to be escorted out by sheriff? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, thanks. Yeah, they're walking. Sheriff is walking.
Oh, they're walking her out. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
People are just losing their mind.
Levi copy from Fox 1.
The gate was E8, so she's going to be coming from that side.
Coming from that side. Yeah, this thing is ridiculous.
The deputy and an airport employee then wait for Lisa Macris to come out, and when she arrives, she immediately makes her presence known.
Oh, jeez.
And now, you know, you got to be even more concerned when you're driving because you don't know the person that's on the road.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yo! Lady! We don't speak that here. What are you saying? Are you kidding me? In the airport? In public? You said the N-word? Are you serious? You're yelling that here. No. Go. No, you're gonna go. No, you're gonna take your big cancer. Get that fucking 3-pound suitcase. Excuse you, that's your Go get it. Get downstairs, lady. Get downstairs.
I can't carry it.
No, get your go downstairs.
You
Excuse you. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Get your hands
You're gonna get
off
arrested. That's what. Excuse you.
Just stop.
No. No.
I want to see my mother
Gonna be
tomorrow.
No, you're arrested now.
He told me. No, I'm not arrested.
No. Get. No. Put your hands behind your back. No. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
It's not up to me. You're the one that's going to respond.
Excuse you. Put your hands behind your back.
Please
stop.
I
You
to
need
my
to stop.
Mother. You're too young, so you don't understand.
No, I'm not.
What is
You're acting like a freaking lunatic.
Late 80s, dying of cancer.
Nobody cares right now because you're acting like a lunatic at an airport. You're shouting racist, derogatory terms in the middle of an airport.
My mom is dying of cancer.
No. 3 Alpha 32. Can you have another unit come over here? I need, I'm gonna need transport for 105. And, just make sure Sergeant's 48. I have a 15 for a 19.
I just need to please just get this off. All I want to do is see my mother.
You're not when you're blasted drunk, lady.
No, but this officer told me that tomorrow I can.
Well, not before you started yelling. You know what you just said?
You're
no.
You're get your
Oh, I'm a okay. I'm a you got the wrong culture, lady. I'm a okay.
Get my hands out of here and hey, Dean.
I can't my car.
Because guess what?
Oh, you have a cannon? You have a dog?
Yeah.
There's such a thing as guns in South Florida, Dean.
What are you trying to say?
Water pistols.
You have ID on you?
No.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna find your.
I got her. Just tell them we're at door 323.
323.
My mother.
Just tell them we're at door 2323. I have to. Let me shut this off.
Just let me go to a hotel and just come back tomorrow. This is not fair. Because she wants to bully up to me when I need to see my mother and my 2 boys that are home from college.
Why do you get blasted drunk to see your family and your dying mother? That you missed your flight and you left your bag?
Because the bag was
3-2?
too heavy for me,
10-9?
and the benefits outweighed the risks. I could not carry it, and I just knew I will dump that all out so that I can see my mother
You can
and my
10-8 the
boys
area
again.
and slow the units down. We have her detained.
Just tell them we're at, did you tell them we're at door 323? There it is.
Can you just, like, let me get these glasses off my head? Like, on top? No.
Right there, right there on the suitcase. Down.
No, on my head.
No, it's not.
On my
It's not
head.
going
They're
anywhere.
Reeboks.
You're fine.
That's great how you treat people. Really great.
You know what she said? Yelling out, like the N-word, yelling out.
No, she put
all
her hands
out
on me.
loud.
And
No, I only brought hands on you.
Yeah.
You need to relax
Battery
yourself.
touch and
You need to
strike on
relax.
you.
You need to
Tell her,
relax.
get her hands off of me. Tell her to get her hands off of me.
I'm arresting you. How am I supposed to do that?
I'm going to
No, you're
my mom
blasted drunk,
tomorrow.
and you're not seeing anybody because you just missed your flight.
I said tomorrow. Berman told me that I'll get on a flight tomorrow to see my dying mother.
You need
and
to
my
get that.
2 boys in college
Relax you.
in Westchester County.
Relax. No, just turn it towards the one, and that'll unlock it. You can squeeze it more. Yeah, since we're doing that.
No, right there, my Boeing from my boyfriend flies out of here.
Since we're doing this.
Huh?
Nope, I am arresting
They
her.
told me that. You see, but it's not necessary now. Tomorrow, he told me I could just go to a hotel right now and just get rid of the alcohol.
Stop
and
moving.
then just go
Stop
see
moving.
My mother tomorrow.
Stop. You're not seeing anybody.
And
You
my
know
2
why?
sons.
Because you're blasted drunk.
That's why we said tomorrow.
Hold on, you need to get up so you get the purse
Get
out.
the bag out.
You either choose a time to cut the bag strap or take the
I didn't try to do anything.
Just relax, okay?
But I want to see my mom tomorrow. Please, I need to. She's dying of cancer.
Okay, then you're not flying.
Tomorrow, he told me.
They were going to rebook you, but
We
not
could do
anymore.
this tomorrow until this little person.
She told you, what did you say when you called me a Yeah, right? Yeah, that's what you called me. And then you said the N-word as you yelled it out right there.
He was adult enough to say,
You know what
"Let's
caused
just go
this?
cool it off
You're
at a hotel
83.
tonight.
Lady.
And then get me on
Lady.
a flight to don't put your hands on me. That's battery.
I put my hands on you many times already. Let's get you in a car.
What about the
You know what cost this? 83 pounds. She left it because she didn't want to pay for it.
Ow! Now stop handling me. I'm cooperating. I am cooperating. Now, no, they have like $1,400, $1,500 in cash right there.
Okay.
I want it back. My husband is a med mal attorney. He's a senior partner in Midtown Manhattan.
That's fine.
And there's no way you're gonna let that go.
Okay.
Tell her not to place me under arrest.
Whose car is it?
I just simply want to pay to go to a hotel
Where's the car?
and sober up so that I can go
That
see
car
my
over there?
parents tomorrow.
Put it in my car. I don't, just put it in a car. I don't care if she's screaming. I don't want her out here screaming too much.
I just said.
All right, sit back in the car.
Ow!
Sit down.
Ow! Are you crazy?
All right, man. We're not playing that game with you acting like a child, all right? You can sit like that, do what you gotta do, sit back.
Macris was charged with disorderly intoxication and trespassing. A few months later, she entered a no-contest plea to the intoxication charge. She was given community service and banned from the airport terminal. We also learned this wasn't the suspect's first time in trouble with the law for an unusual reason. Back in 2016, she was arrested in Palm Beach County for misuse of the 911 system. She called 911 8 times to report her car had been stolen while she was blacked out. Next, we're in Akron, Ohio. It's January 2024 around 2 a.m. and a simple traffic stop's about to get way more complicated.
I'm just trying to get back
I did not mean to run that light, but my brakes, if you can see the brake pads is going out. That's totally my fault. I live right around the corner.
Right. Okay, do you have your license on you?
Listen, my license is literally...
You don't have your license on you?
I have my...
I can't really hear, I'm sorry.
Listen, my license is kind of messed up. I'll just literally just go on my...
That's simply fine, but I mean, literally the reason why we stopped you, because not only could you turn on the red, but I understand your brake situation is fine, but you could have got in an accident. The light's red,
Can you
so
please
I
just
wasn't.
give me a break? My uncle...
No, we are getting your... I need your license information, so we are past that conversation. You don't have it on you at all?
I'm not going to fuck this up. Can I just give you my real name? Can you just let me go?
See, I'm asking you for one thing at a time, okay? What's your social?
The officers try to convince the woman to tell them her name, but it's no use.
All right, so we're not finding anything for you. How old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license? Have you ever had a driver's license?
No.
Have you ever had a state ID card?
No, I was actually getting ready to get one. I was just actually going home. My grandmother, I was just going...
Your grandmother what?
My grandmother is at home right now.
Mm-hmm.
And she's sick, and that's my fault. I don't know.
What's your first name?
Deanna.
Okay. Deanna, when I walked up, you told me you were going home because your husband was having a seizure.
Yes, he is.
But now it's your grandmother.
Yes, my grandmother's at home with my husband. He's right there on Gurley Avenue.
Uh-huh.
That is correct.
Gurley's that way.
That is correct.
Uh-huh.
You told me that your house is right up here.
Gurley is that way.
Gurley is that way, but
it's
I know...
not.
Yeah, I know you're lying.
Gurley is
so
that way.
Because you're making it worse for yourself, honestly.
Okay, go ahead and put your cigarette out. Put your cell phone down. Put your cigarette out. Go ahead and put your hands on your head. No. You're going to listen to my directions.
Oh, okay.
Lean forward, interlace your fingers. No, hands on your head.
I like your fingers behind your ears. Lean forward. Raise up. You're going to face it from the side. You have any weapons on you?
13.
My husband's saying him.
Okay.
And I'll please you the break.
Well, we're going to figure out who you are first, and we'll go from there. Put your hands together like a friend. Make it easier for you.
Alright, bring her back here and then search her.
Search your feet for me, please.
Mm-hmm.
You said you don't have any weapons on you?
Not at all.
So, what's going on with your name? Back here. Huh? So you're not going to talk?
No, I won't.
Okay, so I'm asking you what's going on with your name. Step in. You can roll your feet. Turn your feet in. Why are you acting so weird? What's your name?
32. Deanna.
And Smith is your last name. What's your last name?
Owens.
What is it?
Owens, she said. What's your social? Deanna, I think you misunderstand what's going on here, right? So, I don't know what you're scared of or what you're trying to hide from us finding out. But what's going to happen is, the more games you keep playing, the more it's going to be worse for you. You're digging yourself in a bigger hole. So is that your correct social?
Can my grandma just come pick us up?
So you misunderstand what I just said all together just now.
Get in the front seat.
You said get in the front seat?
Yeah, just come get up.
Okay, listen.
What you're about to do arrested for misrepresenting identity, and you're gonna go to jail for it.
Okay, I don't want to do that.
You're on very thin ice right now, so what is your social? Okay. Is there more to that?
Y'all gonna take me to jail.
I'm about to if you don't tell me. You're going to go for more charges. You're going to go for lying. You're going to go for obstructing official business, misrepresenting identity. That's expired since November. So, like, let's just tack on the charges, right?
Okay, can I just get a summons?
What is your social? There's 2 more numbers. Listen, I don't need your social to send you to jail. I'll just send you as Jane Doe.
Okay.
Why are we playing games?
Because I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Let's go to jail. I have things like my husband is sick.
Uh-huh. You said you were 18. You're 29.
You just lying all right.
You're suspended. Yeah, it's a difference between going for a warrant and going for a warrant and 4 new charges. So congratulations on that one.
24 line.
Deanna Ross. What did you tell us her name?
She said Owens. Deanna, wait, Smith
Thomas,
and then Owens.
Smith?
I need to run 1 by social for 6 and 7's break. Deanna Lee Ross. So first it was Smith, now it's Owens, and now it's Ross. Then you told me you're.
What, are you in a rush to get to jail?
No, my husband is.
Your husband is what?
He's having a seizure. I have to get home.
So why didn't they call 911 then if he's having a seizure?
Because I'm able to give him his medicine.
Your grandma's there with him, right? You told us your grandmother's there.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sure grandma's got it handled.
Let's start that.
Considering everything you've told us is a lie, why would we believe that?
My uncle is Lieutenant Hammond. Can you please call him?
I'm about to get a report.
You're about to do what?
Total report.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, it's expired since November.
And you were lying the whole time, so absolutely.
The woman, whose real name is Deanna Ross, can't seem to stop lying.
That's not your name? You're lying still? Well, then, you know what? I don't care what your name is because it's about to be Jane Doe and they can figure it out of county. What? She said that's why that ain't my name either.
That's not her photo?
I don't know. We'll find out.
It's right there.
I clicked on that one. They don't have this one though. I mean, how long do you want to sit in jail? Because we can play this game. I don't care.
I can sit in jail for the next 3 months. I mean, what is the problem? It's not like I'm on a murder case. Y'all want to throw the car.
You're the one.
Here's the thing. I don't know what you're wanted for because you're lying about who you are.
Okay.
How are you mad at us and you're the one who was lying?
So what? Y'all still was gonna
What you mean, so what? No, we weren't. Honestly, no. It's not. No. But you're lying.
You
for
got
no
stopped
reason.
for running a red light. You were going to get a warning.
Literally, we were on a whole nother call. It's because of you doing your job, doing that traffic violation. That's the only why we stopped you. Then when we get there, you're lying out the gate.
Okay, can y'all please give me a break, please?
Are you joking?
Is this you or no?
Y'all go
Is this you or no?
Can we just do a tow report, please?
No. No, you don't get to lie and lie and lie and then say, give me a break. That is not how this works.
She's
No,
talking to
that's
you.
not how this works.
No.
All right. You can talk to yourself back there.
Can we please redo this?
There's no way that you're being serious right now.
I have my ID.
Where's your ID?
So now you have your license?
Where's your ID? Because you look for it, you couldn't find it. Where is it?
No, she said she didn't have it, actually.
I do have my ID.
Where is it?
Okay, where is it?
It's in my car.
That's very helpful. I'm sure we'll find it when we inventory it and tow it, okay?
Well, you're already going to tow it.
We are towing it because it's expired since November and you don't have a driver's license. I don't, what is confusing? You were about to get a warning for running a red light. And then you went and lied about who you were multiple times.
Can I just please get a warning? Y'all can go on about your night.
Okay, so
I don't know how to make this any clearer.
if you are,
No.
is it Deanna? Okay, so, and I'm being nice to you right now, okay? You're going to jail. So we're here on that part, right? Okay. You know why? It's fine. I'll explain it. It's because you lied, right?
And have warrants.
And you, well, yeah, that's the obvious one, because you have warrants, right? But really, it's because you lied. You need to really realize that too. And so the attitude that you have about all this and can we give you a warning and stuff, there's no reason for us to have this conversation.
Okay, so listen.
All right.
Now you're scared.
We're done with this conversation. Just go ahead and finish that.
I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys.
Brutally honest.
I was scared because, like, I knew that I had a warrant that I need.
So you decided to catch a few more charges. That was a good plan. So now, if you don't show up for court, you're going to have a warrant for these new charges, too. Next time you have a warrant, don't drive a car around that has plates that are expired since November and run red lights. And draw attention to yourself.
Boy, he's still dying, so what y'all gonna do about that? Y'all wanna send the paramedics over there?
Is your grandma there? Wait, he's dying or he's having a seizure?
Are you guys gonna send the paramedics over there? That's all I'm saying.
He's dying or he's having a seizure? Because those are two very different things.
That one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, are we gonna say Jane Doe, or are we gonna use
We'll go with Deanna. That's what her name is today, I guess. Is it? Because you told me it's not. You said that ain't me.
That really is my name.
All right. So why are we playing games?
24.
The passenger in the car is free to go, but the officer warns her against lying to police.
She said her mom coming to get her.
Yes. Let me check her load.
Hey, what's your girl's name?
She said what her name was. That was her name.
She said 4 different names. Do you want to lie to me? Because I have her picture up. What's her name? Do you want to lie?
No, I don't.
Do you want to lie? What's her name?
The first name she said.
Yeah, what's her last name?
I don't know her last name. I don't know her name.
You don't know her last name?
No, her name's Tiana. That's all I know. Tiana.
The cops continue to find holes in the woman's story.
She's still lying?
Well, I don't know. Because she's Deanna Smith /Owen/Ross/ that's not my name /
That's my real name.
can I get a break / you gonna give me a summons or what /
Please get a break. My uncle is Lieutenant Hammond, please.
I don't think you're understanding. This is
If your uncle was a lieutenant,
since November. She has no license.
If your uncle was a lieutenant,
She
you would
has
understand
warrants.
the importance of giving your real name. Correct?
That's why she's getting misrep and obstructing to go with all the charges she already had.
Go to jail now.
If they don't want you, we're sending you.
Oh, you got warrants too?
She has warrants.
Dang. I wonder why you didn't tell us your name.
Right.
Right.
I knew. Yeah, here we go.
I think you get a phone call when you get to the jail. You're not making a phone call now.
Please let me out this mother.
You will get out when you get to county. Or when the wagon comes and picks you up.
Why can't y'all just take me?
I have other things to do.
I'm a drug smuggler.
I act like you lied to me. Because you lied to me.
So what?
You right. So what? You also tried to tell me you were 18 years old.
I am 18.
You're 29.
You're 30?
You're 29.
Oh my God.
Still lying. That's still
I'm still lying.
Wow. That's crazy. Why'd you decide to tell us all that fake stuff?
Oh, well.
I mean, you see where it's getting you, so.
You about to go as Jane Doe and sit there even longer until they figure out who you are.
Please go as Jane Doe. Please. Jane Doe.
She about to go as Jane Doe. She said that's not her.
No, keep that energy. Keep that same energy.
You said it's not you.
Yep, Jane Doe.
You don't want to go to county as Jane Doe.
She's about to.
Good luck to you, dear.
How am I supposed to know which name's the right name?
I don't know.
I have my ID.
You told me you don't have your ID. I asked for it. You said I don't got it.
I already do.
Well, I'm not looking for it at this point, so.
Dang. 30 years old. Don't know your name. Don't know your soul. That's crazy. Is that your car?
Grandma's.
Yeah. I mean, I knew the answer. I know that ain't her car.
How you know?
Huh?
How you know?
How I know? Because it'd be simple. We already have your information. Know what your name is.
Yep.
At least you told me the truth about that.
I said it was my car.
What was that?
269. She said it is her car. She's lying about that too.
Oh, it is your car?
It's registered to you?
You know I'm not 100 years old.
Well,
I honestly don't know how old you are because you
I
just
mean,
keep
you could
lying.
be anywhere from 18 to 30, maybe even 40.
You want to know the crazy thing?
Yes.
They just told us to warn and release you on all your warrants. You wouldn't have even went to jail on your warrants, but now you're going to jail on your new charges.
No, I'm Deanna Ross, please.
You lied.
I have my ID, ma'am. I'm sorry. Listen, my husband just passed away. Listen. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys no more.
You've been lying
That's,
the
I mean,
whole
that doesn't help us out at this point.
We're far
You're
past
29.
that.
You should know that. Come on now. You lied to us from the start, and now you're saying because you're not lying to us anymore.
I have my ID though. Like I was seriously, I was really scared. I have my husband's obituary right in the front.
So now your husband's dead.
Seizure.
I was scared. I didn't know.
EMS because your husband's having a seizure.
I mean, I had to make up something.
Okay, at least we admitted that.
You're too grown for that. Honestly, though, like, come on now.
Let's go ahead and throw obstructing on here.
Yep.
Like, I don't know what to believe. Everything you've said is a lie. And like I said, they literally just told him warn and release her on the warrants, which means we would have said, hey, you can't drive. Let's park this. Let's get you a ride home.
Yes.
And no, it's not an option now. It was an option before you lied to us.
Okay, not a problem.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Hopefully you are.
No, seriously, really sorry about that.
Sounds good.
Why I gotta go to jail?
Because we're too
Can y'all call my uncle?
You can call your uncle when you get your phone
Even if
call
we called
in
your uncle, it's
jail.
irrelevant. Him being who he is and what he does and his name is not going to stop anything.
Embarrassed. He's like, damn, my own niece acting like this.
But he know my situation I'm going through. I was scared, you guys. I'm sorry.
Well, moving forward, don't act
Okay, I would never do this again.
That's good.
Let me just.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Yes, I'm so sorry about this, guys. I really do apologize, like 100%.
I appreciate it.
I got COVID.
All right. Anything else you want to lie about?
I'm 20 weeks pregnant.
All right. I'm going to throw this in the report, too, so I can hit you with a couple more charges.
You cannot hit me with nothing because I am pregnant.
I can charge you with obstructing for every lie you tell. Deanna Thomas, Deanna Smith.
I did not say Thomas. I know you made that up.
Did she not say Thomas?
I did not say Thomas.
Smith, Owens?
Yep, Smith.
Okay.
I did not say Thomas.
Smith, Owens.
That's it.
You gave the wrong social also.
You said your husband died or was having
My husband did die.
You said he was having a seizure.
And is.
He's having a seizure while dead?
Yep.
That's interesting. I'm glad that you find this.
Oh my goodness. Can you just please close the window so I can stop talking?
I'm just letting you talk.
I gotta pee. I'm about to piss.
Please don't pee in the back of my car.
Why not? I'm already going to jail.
Alright, you're gonna go to jail in pissy clothes then.
They gonna put me on the gown anyway.
They're not gonna give you new underwear. You're gonna have to sit in your piss underwear.
Who said I got on panties?
Fair point. Touche. Yeah, it should be the expired.
Y'all should just give me a break. Y'all crazy as hell.
We're crazy?
Hell yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yo, I've never heard someone lie so much. Like, that is...
happens.
Have you even ever had a husband, or was that a lie? Because you lied so much, I don't know what to.
I'm not telling you anything else, ma'am.
That's fine. I'm not charging you with anything else. I've done
I mean, I'm already going to jail.
So why make it worse for yourself because you're not in jail yet? Here's what I'm saying your logic is off. We're currently assigning charges to you. Currently. So the more that you lie or just say...
I'm not lying. I'm just talking.
Okay.
Improper registration expired. The 71.15A.
What that mean?
Your plates are expired.
Okay.
What other one do you need?
You said 71.15A. I need the red light. And I need the red light. That's it. So I have these.
Traffic control devices, 70.20.
Do y'all really gotta send me to the county?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's the only way to confirm that you are who you say you are.
I have my ID.
70.20.
70.20, yeah.
Ma'am, I have my ID.
You told me you didn't have it.
No, I really seriously have my ID.
Cross that out.
Can I really give you guys my ID?
I'm still going to send you 70.21C.
Is that still traffic control device?
It's red light, specifically, instead of...
So right down here.
Yeah, just write it down there, that's fine.
I really have my ID.
70.21C. Okay.
Fucking God.
I don't know why you're annoyed with us.
I'm not paying you no attention, lady. You still sending me to the county, so regardless of whatever I say.
Like I said, we can add a couple more charges on there.
Add them! What am I doing?
Lying about more?
I'm not lying about anything.
Okay.
My husband is really dead. His obituary is right up there in the front seat. Is that a lie?
You're lying about that. I mean...
I questioned it. I don't really believe anything.
His obituary is up there in the front seat. His name is Derek F. I mean... Y'all really gonna send me to the county for this petty?
You're the one who lied.
I understand that, but I
no,
mean...
you don't, because you keep asking us, are we really going to do it? And we told you almost 20 minutes ago, yes.
Did she say she was going to take accountability for her actions?
That's what I'm saying.
Like, you just told us you were going to take accountability.
And I am, but still, girl.
How? How are you taking accountability?
Because you're sending me to the county.
Because you're fault, though.
Yourself to the county. Your actions are sending you to county, not us.
Yeah, this is...
No, go ahead and close it or accept it or whatever.
I'm going to start throwing up. I need EMS.
Well, you'll get to see a nurse as soon as you get to county.
You say accept this, or you still need to clarify that?
I hate women cops.
The paddy wagon then arrives to whisk Ross off to jail.
I don't need y'all all on me like that. That's why I'm about to take off and run. Y'all better hold me.
Right here.
Nope. Y'all better stop on me.
Alright.
Stop playing so much.
Alright. I'll switch out your cups, okay? You try something and we're going to throw resisting on there. I was just letting you know. You said you wanted a couple more.
What the that mean?
And these should be a bit longer. It's not cute.
Who said it was? Give my phone. Get my phone in my out the car. I'm flying up to the floor. What if I don't want to fly? That's why my car gonna be out tomorrow, and that's why I'm gonna be out of jail. Okay. And I got vomit. And I'm not gonna be able to breathe back here, but who will?
3223, thanks for parking.
I'm gonna hear you now. Oh, I really gotta get back here, seriously?
No debate.
No! I'm not gonna be able to breathe. I'm about to pass out.
You're gonna be fine.
Call EMS.
She just doesn't want to go to jail.
Yeah.
They
never do.
Call EMS.
You also told us to call EMS for your husband who's dead.
Girl, shut the up. He
Right, so why would I call you a mess for something?
Wait, you have a stroke. Wait.
Step up to the
You're about to go ahead first, or just step in.
So what? Why do you won't put me in first?
Take a step.
Don't hit your head.
What? Or what?
Watch your head.
Or what? Or what? Okay,
Ridiculous.
The officers ended up finding weed, so Ross was charged with possession of marijuana in addition to identity fraud and obstructing official business. Her case was moved to a municipal court where she had to pay more than $1,000 in court fines and fees. We end today's After Hours in the city of Columbus, Ohio. An officer spotted a woman texting and checking emails while she was sitting in traffic.
You're doing everything but drive this car. You've gone through emails, you've looked at pictures.
Okay.
Everything but drive the car. Okay? It's illegal.
Okay.
Is there a reason you might be doing this, or?
I'm at a... Are you pulling me over because I'm blocking traffic?
Yeah, sure. I'll go ahead and pull you over then. I'll have you pull into the...
I didn't mean that.
I'll have you pull over into the BP lot, okay?
I didn't mean that.
Hang tight.
The unidentified woman pulls over into a gas station parking lot and almost immediately has an attitude.
Get your driver's license and insurance card, please. That's your registration. Is the car registered to you? Yes. Okay. Why don't you look for your insurance? I'll be back to you in a little bit.
The officer's patience is wearing thin and eventually disappears altogether.
Were you able to locate your insurance card?
My husband is sending it to me. May I ask what else you're pulling me over for?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, so then am I getting a citation?
Yes, ma'am.
Under Ohio State law, you can only pull me over for texting if there's another offense and give me a ticket.
Well, I've done this 20 years, and you're wrong. I just looked
up it.
Well,
except for the city of Dublin.
You need to look up the city of Columbus, ma'am. This is the code I'm going to actually give you. It's 2131.44B.
Okay.
I'm actually going to give you a copy of the law today.
Great.
It is primary offense.
Just so you know, also walking up to a woman's car, you should have pulled me over. You're lucky I didn't have my pepper spray on me because you scared the ever-living out of me as a woman.
If you weren't going through emails,
Sir,
you would probably be more observant.
I'm not trying to be I'm telling you, as a woman, I'm actually shaking right now because you scared the ever-living out of me.
Well, I've made over 7,000 traffic stops, and I've never been pepper sprayed.
But I understand that, sir, but I'm telling you, as a woman, you made me feel unsafe.
Okay, I'm a public safety official, ma'am.
I understand that, but please listen to what I am saying, because you're not listening, because you're seeing this through the eyes of me trying to get out of a ticket, which I'm not.
Oh, you won't get out of it, yeah.
Sir,
I can assure you of that.
Sir, can I please finish my sentence?
Go ahead.
As a public employee, I am letting you know, as somebody who is a person who pays your salary. Sir, please.
No, I'm no longer going to listen to you. I'm no longer going to listen to you. I'm going to give you your driver's license back. What you are being cited with is texting while driving. I gave you a copy of the law. You're going to have three options.
Can I please have your badge?
Your first option, it's going to be right here, ma'am. It's K. Connor, badge 1300. It's at the bottom of your citation. No, ma'am. You will. All I have to do is provide it to you. It's on the bottom of your citation. So you're going to have three separate options. I won't give you your options then. I need your signature. Your signature is not an admission of guilt, but I do need your signature because it's an arrestable offense if you do not.
I can't believe that you won't even listen.
No, as soon as you said, I pay your salary, that we're done.
But, sir, I'm
done.
trying to tell you so
done.
that you can do your job better.
I've done my job 20 years, and I'm protecting the public from you reading your emails while you drive your car.
Well, that
drive
hasn't
safely
existed for 20 years.
The woman was given a citation and sent on her way. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Law and Crime After Hours is researched, written, and executive produced by Savannah Williamson. Video editing is done by the Mikey Deininger. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.
You also also told us to call you a mess for your husband who's dead.
Girl, shut the up. He is dead.
Right, so why would I call you a mess for something?